What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for part 2 of this unboxing series, I guess I would call it. First video, I unboxed this Street Track Life HM Sports rear window spoiler. It's pretty wild, and I just made a super quick video on it. Basically just pulling it out, sticking it on the car, and looking at it. If you want to see that, hit the little button in the corner, whichever corner it is. I think it's this side, and go check that video out first and then come back to this one. I do a quick little update on the last drift event and other stuff like that. In this video, we are unboxing this second package right here. So I'm gonna get my camera set up on this chair and hopefully get a good angle to show you guys my reaction and just pulling out all of these parts because I'm so stoked. Okay, guys. My camera is super low angle, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'll hold up parts and then go over it after it's all opened up. Other side. And this way. How the heck does this open? What the heck? There she goes. Oh, man. Okay, if this tells you anything, look at that Johnny right there. This is so much more like purpley magenta than I expected it to be, but holy crap. Guys, this is an SLR Angle Kit. It's the Ultra Drift Kit for the E46M. And this will get me up to about, I don't know, they say 50 to 60 degrees of steering angle. I started recording and then my phone actually ran out of space. But I got some stickers. It's like your outer tie rod, I want to say. And I mean, the build quality on this stuff is insane. Like, every little weld in here, all of that stuff. Like how perfect all these bushings look. This is the adapter that goes to your knuckle as well as the control arm. So this guy will go in here somewhere. And basically this allows you to do all your Ackerman and stuff like that. So if you look in here, your new ball joint studs and stuff, blah, blah, blah. And then they give you a diagram of how to set up your Ackerman and all of your other amazing stuff that comes in here, which is great. I also went with the adjustable lollipops, so I won't have any issues with that bushing. This thing is solid, and I mean, just the branding. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick if I sound like I'm dying right now. The branding, I mean, like the quality on these parts is the best I've ever seen in something aftermarket. And then new extended Johnny's here. This guy. So basically, one half, the other half, and a little instruction book, some stickers, my knife. Looks like some spacers, probably for the rack limiters. Some more mounting bolts. And that's pretty much all you get, but that's also all you need. Yeah. This stuff is gorgeous. I'm just sitting on the floor in my garage looking at how cool this stuff is. But check that out. And I ordered this stuff. I ordered the purple kit just because why not rice it out? These parts are actually a lot more purple like I saw online, like when you look at the color of that. And the arm is more like magenta in color. Like you can see the comparison of the two. I honestly, like, I don't mind it because it's going to be loud and then it's going to get dirty and then you're not even going to see it until I'm like steering. So I'm not too worried about the color of it, but I think it'll be cool. And it'll probably show up like super sick in pictures, because you'll be able to see like all the control arm and all this stuff. So if I'm not making much sense while I'm talking, it's just because I'm looking at everything and I'm like overwhelmed with how cool all of this stuff is. The reason I went with the SLR kit is, number one, I have a friend, Dylan, who runs the same kit on his non-M, and he absolutely loves it. And I've heard different stories from other people that I've talked to that are just super stoked on the kit. They've had nothing but good luck with it. The other reason I got it was all of my front suspension is super worn out. All of my bushings, my tie rods are toast, my control arm bushings are toast. And on the M3, you basically have to get new lower control arms because the bushings don't press out, at least to my knowledge. And so instead of spending a bunch of money replacing factory parts, I took it as an opportunity to spend a couple $100 more and just get an angle kit. This is high quality welded stuff, made in the USA, and they weld everything by hand over there. And I ordered this kit like in the beginning of November, and now it's getting close to the second week of December. So it took about a month for them to build the whole kit, get it powder coated, and sent over to the house. And it's been sitting here for about a week since I was at school and not home, so I couldn't come and look at all the stuff. But basically, I have a few things in the timeline for the car, and so there's some stuff going on with possible wrap, talking with sponsors for other things, and so the SLR kit will definitely be on before springtime for sure, because that's when the car will be back out of the garage, but possibly within the next 3 weeks, depending on some other factors and shows that we might be going out to. So that's kind of the story with that, but I figured why not just take the opportunity, buy the best parts I can, get some performance out of it, and just have beast angle. My hydro works now, which is awesome, and I'm excited to learn how to use that thing because for the last 2 years I've drifted without one, and I mean, I don't really know the difference, but I think it'll be really cool for like the tight infield stuff at the track that I normally go to. So that'll be fun. And I also want to get new wheels because as cool as these wheels are, like, I want new wheels. So we'll see. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked looking at this kit. I will be posting some pictures on Instagram as well, just showing off the product and, you know, just giving you guys a better look at what the kit looks like. Go to their website. It's slrspeed.com, and you can find all of their products. This isn't a plug just for them or whatever. It's cool stuff. I didn't think I was going to like it this much, but it is like such good quality. Like the build on this stuff is just insane. Like even just like the name on here, it's so crispy and good, and it's going to get so dirty and beat on and hopefully not destroyed. But yeah, check the Instagram for more pictures as well as for the roof spoiler. Check out that last video if you haven't yet. And smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a Merry Christmas. I'll be up north. The car will be in storage. Not much is going to happen for at least 2 weeks. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.